Hi there, batch 144. I hope you are all doing good. So, I still remember when we first shifted from in person to online setting and how difficult it was for you all to cope up with the things going around. But you still did it, not just by completing the fellowship, but by putting in immense hard work and lots of positive change. Just remember one thing, by the end of the day, when you see or when you're done being your other half and when you see your reflection in the mirror, it tells you another story of how you actually survived the day. So never feel disheartened or demotivated if you didn't achieve something which you really wanted to, because in the end, failures are the best experience or learning you can ever get from anything. So keep on shining and keep on growing. God bless you all.
Hi everyone. This is probably take number 35, so I'm going to try and keep it short and not waste a lot of your time. Congratulations, each and every one of you, on becoming part of the Amal Career Prep Fellowship alumni now. Congratulations on graduating, and congratulations on finally getting the much deserved graduation ceremony. Although I'm really sad that we couldn't meet in person, and I was hoping that we'd be able to give each and every one of you a certificate by hand in person. They can, things happen, circumstances change, and so we can't do this time around. But I really hope that I'll meet each and every one of you in the future. And when we do meet, I really hope that you have had the opportunity to do something with your life that you set out to do in the first place. Every one of you has the potential to do amazing things in your life. I've seen how you have grown, I've seen what you can do, and I've seen your potential. And I really hope that you achieve that in your life. Best of luck with everything. As I said, I'm going to keep this short, and please always know that I'm here to reach out to if you need something. And good luck with everything. Congratulations again, and thank you so much.
Dear fellows, it's so good to see you successfully graduating out of the Amal Career Program. I've been in your sessions as your cluster manager. I've seen you participate, I've seen you ask such amazing questions in class, and it gives me immense joy to see all of you critical thinkers, problem solvers, graduating out of this program. And most importantly, it's so amazing to see how you've grown and developed from your first session to your last sessions to your final presentations. It was so amazing to see the progress that you've made, how you've thought about problems, not just for yourself, but also for the society, and you've worked on them. So, once again, I would really like to congratulate you in making it through this journey, not just skating by in this journey, but actually making your time worthwhile, and investing your time and investing your energy in being a better version of yourself, and also helping your peers and colleagues be a better version of themselves. So I'm so proud of you and so happy to see you achieving this milestone with Amal Academy.
And now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Please join me in congratulating the gold medalist for batch 144. Congratulations to Shagufta Ambreen, well done and well deserved. For the best mega project, we have Team Project C with Simil, Anas, Ashar, Hassan, and Nida. Congratulations. For the highest honors, we have Simil Rahman, Muhammad Bilal, Muhammad Hamza, and Muhammad Jawad. Congratulations and well done. For the honors graduates, we have Aisha Nasir, Badr Munir, Fahad Siddiqui, Hira Anjum, Mahnur Meraj, ماربہ سعید، میر سارم احمد، محمد کاشان، محمد عامر، محمد انس، محمد اشر، محمد بلال عامر، محمد غفران، محمد حسان، محمد سالک، محمد سفیان، ندا صفدر، ندا سکندر، قاضی محمد انس، ریحام نوشاد، ریحان الطاف، سروش اسماعیل، شیخ رمیز، شیران محمود، سید انس علی، سید منیب احمد، سید عزیر حسین، سیدہ کنیز، تنزیلہ ضمیر، انیزہ احمد، یاسر علی تونیو، یاسر جاوید and Zahid Ali. Congratulations, guys. For the graduates, we have Ali Akbar, Haris Ahmad, Ibrahim Khan, Kashan Ghani, ملیحہ، محمد بلال خان، اسامہ شہاب، راؤ عبدالرافع، ریان سراج، سید ذوالفقار نقوی and Muhammad Talha Beg. Congratulations, folks. And this is where batch 144 takes flight. Congratulations, everyone.